Once upon a time there was a little family. Mummy wrote a blog on life with her babies. Then one birthday Mum decided to record it. Next thing you know, she'd started daily vlogs. Let's introduce this little family. There's cheeky Danielle and cute little Blake. Celine races round on her crutches. Daddy works hard to feed us all. Mummy who likes to vlog everything. Nana babysits and gets the kid to sleep. Now you've met us all, let's get on with the show.
Celine's practicing riding in the grass. She doesn't find it very easy though, it's quite long. Hi Daisy! Hi Daisy! You stuck? Oh dear. So much for that idea. Good boy! Clever! Yeah, you go again. Be careful, Danny. Papa. What you doing? Oh, she wants you to go down first, does she? Come on, Danny. Come on, Danny. Come on. Mummy's right here. Come on. Let go. Yay. Hi, come on. Good girl. Be careful. Good girl. Gosh, you're a scary baby. Look at you. Careful. I like using your hands. Use your hands more than your legs. Run, Blakey. Good boy. Push it. Push it. Woohoo. Good girl, Danny. Can you do it, Blake? Good boy. You do it, Danny. Go on. Quick. Good girl. Oh, Celine's playing dress up with Danielle. Danny kind of looks like a little mini Barbie. Oh, pretty cute. Oh, she probably doesn't find them comfortable.
Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye!